चलो, आई एम ड्रॉइंग इट ऑन द बोर्ड. सबसे पहले वी ड्रॉ वन लाइक दिस ओनली. टू, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 'After making 8, 9, 9 एंड 10 तो आता नहीं है. यू आर नोइंग 10 के बाद सीधे 1 0 हो जाता है. तो डिजिट्स आर ओनली टिल हियर 0. ऑल डन. So when you talk about 1, you will get the symmetry in both the side. Like you can have vertical line of symmetry and horizontal both, because it's just like I. Okay, so if you want to draw any line of symmetry in this, you will get two line of symmetry, vertical and horizontal both. Okay. Now moving on to 2, you don't have any symmetry in it, not vertical, not horizontal, because 2 is the shape like this. So there is no line of symmetry. So I'm writing it here 0. Okay, the first one is 2, the second one is 0. Now coming here 3, you can have this symmetry. This is a horizontal line of symmetry. You cannot draw vertical line of symmetry, but you can draw horizontal line of symmetry here. So this is one line of symmetry. I'm writing it over here 1. Okay. Now moving on to 4. 4 is again not having any line of symmetry, because this side, this portion is also there. So you don't have any symmetry on 4. Then moving on to 5. Again, there is no line of symmetry on 5. Moving on to 6. There is no line of symmetry on 6 also. There is no line of symmetry on 7 also. Now moving on to 8. Yes, it has vertical line of symmetry, and even it has horizontal line of symmetry also. So you can call it has two line of symmetry. Okay. Now moving on to 9. Again, no line of symmetry on 9. Then moving on 0. Yes, it has line of symmetry, that is this, and this is this, like two line of symmetry in this also. So agar aap check karoge, so you will have on calculator digits, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 digits which has symmetry. Okay, you cannot call that they don't have symmetry. You can say that they have symmetry, either line 1 or line 2, but they have symmetry. So in calculator we have 4 digits which has symmetry. You can call which 4 digits? 1, 3, 8 and 0. Okay, this is the conclusion here. So the first triangle is scalene triangle, and scalene triangle, everyone knows that it has all the 3 sides unequal. It has all the 3 sides unequal. So remember, it is having no line of symmetry. Okay, because as you are knowing that it is unequal figure, like all the sides are different. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5 centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. So remember, it is not having any line of symmetry, not from horizontal, not from vertical, not from diagonal. So this is a figure which is having 0 line of symmetry. Second figure is isosceles. Isosceles is a triangle which has two sides equal. ठीक है? Remember, we are talking about isosceles triangle, and remember it has two sides equal. Like you can have, this is 5, this is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, and suppose another one is like 8 centimeter. Okay, so remember it is not having, sorry, it is having vertical line of symmetry, but it is not having horizontal line of symmetry, not even diagonal also. So it has only one line of symmetry. It has only one line of symmetry. I'm writing it over here. Okay. Now moving on to last triangle, that is equilateral triangle, beta. So remember, equilateral triangle has all the three sides equal. It has all the three sides equal. And remember, the figure which is having all the sides equal, the figure which is having all the side equal will have number of line of symmetry. Equilateral. Now as I have already told you, बेटा equilateral triangle में तीनों sides equal होती हैं. So suppose ये 5 है तो ये भी, so suppose ये 5.2 है, ये 5.2 है तो ये भी 5.2 होगा. ठीक है? And remember, इसकी तीन sides होती हैं और तीनों ही equal हैं. इसलिए इसकी line of symmetry कितनी होगी? 3 lines होंगी. Now I am telling you how. सबसे पहला तो एक ये वाला. Another one will be this one, because all the sides equal, so it will divide equally. And the third one will be from here also. Symmetry. So these, the first quadrilateral name as square. I'm taking it from the beginning, that is square. So square has all four side equal. And अभी आपको मैंने just बोला भी था बेटा कि the figure which has all side equal will have the same number of line of symmetry, which will be the number of side in this. ठीक है? तो इसके पास 4 साइड होती हैं और 4 की 4 इक्वल होती हैं. सो इसके पास होगी 4 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. ठीक है? नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू कहां से. देखो, सबसे पहली तो ये हो जाएगी, दिस इज व्हाट इज आल्सो इक्वल. Then the third one will be this diagonal, and the fourth one will be this diagonal. So this remember, square has 4 line of symmetry. Okay. Now moving on to question number 2, figure number 2, sorry, that is rectangle. Okay, and you are knowing that rectangle is not having all the side equal. So remember, rectangle has only 2 line of symmetry. Now I am teaching you how it is. You know that rectangle look like this somewhere. I'm not using scale. So the first will be this one, and second one will be this one. Okay, so remember, it is not having diagonal symmetry. It is just having one vertical and one horizontal. It is not having any diagonal line of symmetry. I'm talking about rectangle. Okay. Now moving on, trapezium, or you can call it or we can call it trapezium. So remember, trapezium is a figure like a scalene triangle. It's a figure like you're talking about scalene triangle. जैसे इसकी scalene में कोई भी side equal नहीं होती है बेटा, same वैसे ही trapezium में कोई भी side equal नहीं होती है. So remember, the figure having no side equal will have 0 line of symmetry. So there is no line of symmetry. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, scalene triangle में एक भी side equal नहीं थी, इसलिए जो figure था आपका उसकी no line of symmetry thi. So remember, trapezium look like this. It's 3, it's 2, it's 5, it's 8. All side different. And if all side different, it will not have any line of symmetry. किसी ऐसे फिगर में जिसमें एक भी साइड आपस में इक्वल नहीं है, उसमें कोई लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं होती है, ठीक है, उसमें कोई भी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं होती है. You will also do. Now moving on to the next figure, that is now rhombus. Now remember beta, rhombus is a figure which is having diagonal line of symmetry. I am teaching you how it is having a diagonal line of symmetry. This is, let's look like a काजू कतली. रोम्बस का नाम हमेशा काजू कतली की तरह लिया जाता है. जैसी काजू कतली दिखती है ना बेटा, बिल्कुल वैसा ही रोम्बस दिखता है. ठीक है, रोम्बस की 4 साइड्स होती हैं एंड रोम्बस इज लुकिंग लाइक अ काजू कतली ऑलवेज. ठीक है, it has all 4 sides equal but it is not having angles equal. ठीक है, so remember when you talk about rhombus, it is having diagonal line of symmetry. It is not having vertical or horizontal. It is having diagonal line of symmetry. This is joining two vertices, है ना? So remember, rhombus has 2 line of symmetry. So we'll write it down 2 lines. ठीक है, now moving on to the next figure. rhombus के बाद आती है बारी parallelogram की. parallelogram, parallelogram. Parallelogram is a like quadrilateral which is having lines parallel. बिल्कुल parallelogram कैसे दिखता है मैं बता देती हूँ आपको. ठीक है, ये 2 साइड बड़ी लंबी होती हैं, ठीक है, और ये 2 साइड बड़ी छोटी होती हैं. So, इसमें कोई लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं होती है बिकॉज ये अनइक्वल फिगर होता है. अगर आप ऐसे बनाओगे लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री तो भी नहीं बना पाओगे बिकॉज आधा फिगर इधर डिवाइड हो रहा है, आधा यहाँ डिवाइड हो रहा है. अगर आप इसको 20 से डिवाइड करते हो तो देखो यहाँ पर एक उधर भाग रहा है, एक इधर की तरफ भाग रहा है. रोम्बस RHOMBUS, RHOMBUS, rhombus. So remember when you talk about parallelogram, although it has pair of equal sides, but remember they are like if you will take vertical, then also you will not get line of symmetry. If you will make horizontal, then too you will not get line of symmetry. And even when you take vertical line of diagonal line of symmetry, then too you will not get it because ये वाला पोर्शन उस तरफ है, ये वाला पोर्शन इस तरफ है. तो जब आप फोल्ड करोगे ना बेटा इसको, तो ये इधर आएगा, इधर नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, so it is having no line of symmetry. Now moving on to the last figure which I am going to make, that is isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium I am going to. Isosceles trapezium is a trapezium where 2 sides are of equal length. जिसमें ये 5 है, ये 5 है, ये 6 हो सकती है and this is 10. So in that case, चूंकि इन दोनों की ये वाली साइड इक्वल होती है, तो remember it has one line of symmetry from middle. That is vertical only. ठीक है, so remember isosceles trapezium has one line of symmetry. Isosceles trapezium has one line of symmetry, but remember if it is written a normal trapezium, there is no isosceles word written with it. Remember it is not having any line of symmetry. But अगर trapezium को अगर हम isosceles बना देंगे तो remember उसके पास एक line of symmetry होगी. ठीक है, all quadrilaterals we have done it. All quadrilaterals we have done it. Now I will only make 2 more shapes. Pentagon. So when you talk about a pentagon, it has only one line of symmetry. Only one line of symmetry. ठीक है, from here. Then we have one more, that is regular pentagon. और अगर किसी वर्ड में रेगुलर लग जाता है, रिमेंबर, तो उसकी सारी साइड्स इक्वल हो जाती हैं. अगर हम केवल पेंटागन के बारे में बात करेंगे बेटा, तो इट हैज ओनली वन लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. बट जैसे ही फिगर में हम रेगुलर वर्ड लगा देंगे तो याद रखिएगा रेगुलर फिगर हैज ऑल साइड इक्वल. एंड जिस फिगर की ऑल साइड इक्वल होती हैं और एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं, उनकी जो सिमेट्री लाइंस होती हैं वो उसकी साइड के इक्वल होती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे स्क्वायर में 4 थी, इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल में 3 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री थी, वैसे ही रेगुलर पेंटागन में कितनी होंगी बेटा? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? रेगुलर पेंटागन में कितनी होनी चाहिए? 5 होनी चाहिए. 5 होनी चाहिए. करेक्ट, it will be 5. और रेगुलर हेक्सागन में कितनी होनी चाहिए बेटा? टेल मी, रेगुलर हेक्सागन में. Okay, very good. So remember, regular pentagon have 5 line of symmetry. Regular hexagon will have 6. Regular heptagon will have 7. Octagon will have 8. And nonagon will have 9. And decagon will have 10 line of symmetry. Remember, but it is only true when they are regular figures. It is only true, remember, when they are regular figures. But if they are not regular figure, then line of symmetry will depend on how they look like. वो कैसे दिखते हैं उस पे डिपेंड करेगा कि उनकी कितनी सिमेट्री है बेटा. लेकिन अगर फिगर रेगुलर है तो आपको फिगर को बनाने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. यू हैव टू जस्ट राइट डायरेक्टली. रेगुलर पेंटागन मैम 5 line of symmetry. Regular nonagon मैम 9 line of symmetry. No need to even draw the figure, just you can write it down the random answer. Okay, now still I have only 1 minute. I just want to tell you about only circle. Circle, I have already told you that beta circle is having infinite line of symmetry, and I taught you how this is having, this is there, this is there, this is there. These all are line of symmetry, so infinite line of symmetry. But when you talk about semicircle, when you talk about semicircle, it is only having one line of symmetry. Semicircle has only one line of symmetry. And if you talk about, this is full circle, this is half circle, and half of half circle means only this. It has only one line of symmetry like this. That is diagonal. Finished. I have finished all the shapes.